Hello, it's Anna from the Chatbot team, and in this video I'll show you how to create a welcome message, explain what a bot response is, what types of it we offer, and why they're useful. Let's start with the welcome message. Depending on what you want to achieve with your bot, you'll want to welcome your customers differently. In my example story, I'll be creating a bot for a plant shop. So let's do that. When you create a new story, there is a welcome message block added by default. When you click on it, you'll see a couple of messages added already. I want to customize my welcome message, so I'll delete the default options and add my own one. This is what it looks like. Hello, welcome to our plant store. I'm Pothos the bot, and I'll try to assist you today. As you can see, I already gave some character to my bot, I named it, I linked it to my shop, since pothos is a type of plant, and I added an emoji so that the bot seems a little bit more friendly. Alright, once that is done, I want to give my customers some options. But let's go through different types of bot responses first to see which options suit us best. First, text. We already used that one for our welcome message. Then random text. We also saw that one, it was our default, and it's similar to the text type, but you can add a couple of versions of your welcome message so that it's not the same every time your customer chats with the bot. Image is used to customize the conversation a bit and add some character to the bot. Another one is a gallery, where you can add an image, some text, and buttons. You can add multiple cards to present different options. So for example, if you have a store, you can use those to present your products and provide links to them on your website. But let's go through all of the button types first. Send message. So when your customer clicks on the button, it will send the message for them. They don't have to type it in. Next, go to block. This will send the customer to another block of your choice in the story. Then open URL, where you can enter a link. Phone call, as the name suggests, allows your customers to call you. And open moment, where you can embed videos, calendars, documents. The possibilities are basically endless. If you have a link to it, you can embed it in the chat window. Next is the button, where you can add some text and buttons, obviously. And the button types are the same as in the gallery. And the last is a quick reply, similar to a button, but you can only send a message or go to a specific block. All right, I think for our needs, we can use buttons. So let me delete the remaining bot responses first. I think we'll offer the customer to first buy some plants, then maybe need accessories. We'll give them the option to just browse your website and to contact us. You can also add emojis here to make it more friendly looking. I am planning to link those buttons to specific blocks, but we'll have to skip that for now since our story isn't ready yet. All right, so let's use more types of bot responses. Let's save that one first. Now I'm adding a few user inputs to create 3 different flows. I'll talk about the user input in another video, so stay tuned. Now adding bot responses accordingly. Let's name them buy plants by accessories and just browsing. Let's do the first one. First, I'll add a simple text. Then I'll add a gallery and we'll add a few plant categories. Let's add a picture. And add a few buttons. Let's add another one. Let's save that one. Next, in the just browsing block, we'll say something like, alrighty, I won't bother you then. Let's save that one. And we'll add a close chat option so that the customer doesn't have to be bothered by the chat window. To finish it off, let's go back to our welcome message and choose our button types. In the bison plants, we'll choose go to block. We'll click here to choose the element from the tree. Let's choose this bot response and save settings. Need accessories, the same thing, go to block, by accessories. I'm just browsing. Go to block and just browsing. The contact us section will be done a little bit later. Don't forget to save that. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.